Hello children, welcome back to your English grammar class. So in the last class we have started studying with the English grammar, and in today's class we are back again with our grammar series. So today we are going to study about word, okay? W-O-R-D, word. What is the meaning of the word and what do you mean by the word? We will come to know in today's class. Okay children? In the last class we have seen about alphabets and their types, and we divided it into two types, that is vowels and consonants. I hope you all remember it and you have understood it very well. So let us begin with today's English grammar class. So today we are going to deal with word, okay? What is the meaning of the word and what all comes under this word? Today we are going to see it, okay? You can see here on the screen, I have written here word, okay? And its definition. As we all saw alphabets in the last class, there are total 26 alphabets, okay? And a group of letters or alphabets which form a complete meaning is called as word, okay? Is called a word. Now you can ask, how ma'am? So let us see here. When we know A to Z alphabets, we use them to form the words, okay? Here for example I have written very few. See here, hello, beautiful, important. These are three different words which mean differently, okay? Hello means when you meet someone or when someone is in the call, you start your talk with hello, okay? Beautiful. What does this beautiful mean? Beautiful means very nice to see. Important. Important means which is needed or it is very precious, okay? That is called as important. As you have seen in the definition of word, a group of letters which form a complete meaning. That means when we join some of the letters or alphabets together, they should give a complete meaning. That type of word, alphabets or letters joined together form a word, okay? Here to make you understand better, I have written separately. See here. First we have taken hello. Here H plus E plus L plus O. When we write all this H, E, L, O together, it becomes hello. Okay? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we add these 5 letters together and form a word hello, it gives a meaning that we are greeting someone. Okay? Did you understand children? When some letters written together forming a word which is giving a meaning is called as word, okay? Same you can see here. B, E, A, U, T, I, F, U, L. When we add all these letters to make one complete word, what it becomes? This becomes beautiful. Beautiful means which is very nice to see. Yes or no? Now did you understand what is the meaning of word or the definition of word? A group of letters which form a complete meaning is called a word. Okay children? Did you understand? Here I have given example and here I have separated alphabets and again made one complete word and I have shown you. As I said in last class, we have studied about the alphabets and their details. Just to make you understand in a better way, Just to make you understand, here I have used A to Z alphabets and written one word starting with the alphabets. Okay, you can see here A, apple, B, ball, like that. You can see with all the 26 alphabets, I have just made one word and I have written here. I will just turn this paper like this so that you can see it in a better way. I have used all the 26 letters with one example of the word. I have just tried to make you understand word in a better way. Okay, so this was today's class. In today's grammar class, we have studied about the definition of the word. What is the definition? A group of letters or alphabets joined together which give us a complete meaning is called as a word. Okay, and see here some of the examples I have given here: triangle, umbrella, computer, ball, elephant. So it may be any word. Okay, so this was today's class, children. Hope you have understood the definition of the word and also understood the formation of joining the letters together to form a word. See you in the next class. Till then, children, take care. Thank you.